How to add and subtract positive and negative numbers. Numbers can be positive or negative. This is the number line. Minus is the negative sign, plus is the positive sign. If a number has no sign, it usually means that it is a positive number. Example, 5 is really plus 5. Let us think about numbers as balloons and weights. The balloons pull up, positive, and the weights drag down, negative. We can add balloons. We are adding positive value. The basket gets pulled upwards, positive. Example, 2 plus 3 equals 5 is really saying positive 2 plus positive 3 equals positive 5. We could write it as plus 2 plus 3 equals plus 5. We can take away balloons. We are subtracting positive value. The basket gets pulled downwards, negative. Example, 6 minus 3 equals 3 is really saying positive 6 minus positive 3 equals positive 3. We could write it as plus 6 minus plus 3 equals plus 3. Now let's see what adding and subtracting negative numbers looks like. We can add weights. We are adding negative values. The basket gets pulled downwards, negative. Example, 6 plus minus 3 equals 3 is really saying positive 6 plus negative 3 equals positive 3. We could write it as plus 6 plus minus 3 equals plus 3. Last, we can take away weights. We are subtracting negative values. The basket gets pulled upwards, positive. 6 minus 3 equals 6, plus 3 equals 9. Yes, indeed. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding. Two negatives make a positive. What did we find? Adding a positive number is addition. Subtracting a positive or adding a negative is subtraction. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding. Examples, 6 minus plus 3 equals 6 minus 3 equals 3. 5 plus minus 7 equals 5 minus 7 equals minus 2. 14 minus 4 equals 14 plus 4 equals 18. The rules. It can all be put into two rules. Two like signs become a positive sign, and two unlike signs become a negative sign. They are like signs when they are like each other. What is 5 plus minus 2? Plus minus are unlike signs. They are not the same, so they become a negative sign. 5 plus minus 2 equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. What is 25 minus 4? Minus and minus are like signs, so they become a positive sign. 25 minus 4 equals 25 plus 4 equals 29. Starting negative, what if we start with a negative number? Using the number line can help. Example, what is minus 3 plus 2? Plus are like signs, so they become a positive sign. Minus 3 plus 2 equals minus 3 plus 2. Start at minus 3 on the number line, move forward 2, and you end up at minus 1. And there is a common sense explanation. If I say eat, I am encouraging you to eat, positive. If I say do not eat, I am saying the opposite, negative. Now, if I say do not eat, I am saying I don't want you to starve, so I am back to saying eat, positive. So, two negatives make a positive, and if that satisfies you, then you are done. Another common sense explanation, a friend is plus, an enemy is minus. A friend of a friend is my friend. A friend of an enemy is my enemy, An enemy of a friend is my enemy. An enemy of an enemy is my friend. Example. Last year the bank subtracted $10 from your account by mistake, and they want to fix it. So the bank must take away a negative $10. Let's say your current balance is $80, so you will then have $80 minus $10 equals $80 plus $10 equals $90. So you get $10 more in your account. Please visit us at mathisfun.com.